Hi everyone, I'm Chris, this is Tolman, and we're doing a special video for all of our Dailybooth friends and followers. Actually, not our, but my Dailybooth friends and followers. Now, it occurred to me that I've never really shown much of any of my videos to my Dailybooth friends, and I haven't really shown all 5 birds at once in any pictures I've posted there. I mean, maybe, I don't know, I just didn't really think of it. But I thought it'd be a good thing to post a video for all of my Dailybooth friends and followers. And for any of you on YouTube that haven't gone to Dailybooth yet and checked it out, I highly suggest you do so because it is a very good social networking site. It's relatively new and it's hopping. There's a lot of cool things. There's a lot of cool people on there. I think you'd really enjoy it. Well, anyways, to all of my Dailybooth friends, here are some video clips for all of you guys to view. Alright? I hope you enjoy them. Here we go. This is Alex. Alex, say hi. I guess he's not going to say hi. Alex the cockatiel. And Bailey the budgiger. Otherwise known as parakeet, but they're really budgerigers. Budgies. Looking right at you. Okay. And this is Emily. Emily's a little camera shy. Yeah, she's a little camera shy. It's okay, little girl. And pan around a little bit. This is Buddy. Hi, Buddy. Oh, Buddy. His eye is a little irritated because he got pecked at by Emily. He loves her and sometimes she doesn't want anything to do with him. Aww. These guys, they're like best friends. They always hang out together. I swear, if one's away from the other one's gonna scream. Like, I need my friend back. I need my friend back. Aww. Okay, so got the 4 birds here, and the 5th one right here, Mr. Tolman, my buddy. Yep, the guy who needs his nails clipped because, quite frankly, his nails are kind of digging into me. Usually they're not that bad. Taking a bath. Look at this. He's taking a bath. He absolutely loves it. Aww. Hang on, gotta get the spray bottle here. Spray bottle. This is right before I have to take a shower, so this is good timing. He gets to have his time in the shower. I get to have mine. How you like it, Tolman? Now I got the lens all wet. Oh. He's loving it. Okay. Alright. Go. Back time.
Aw, Tolman.
Tolman had to pipe up there.
Look at these guys. They're crazy like, but they're cute like, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Look at them. Aww. Look at them.
Emily's going nuts there.
Look at the crazy girl.
Emily really needed a bath, huh?
She's telling me she needed it.
Wow.
Look at Alex, too. Little fluff ball. Look at her.
And she just complained. She's like, "Ah, me too, me too."
She's like, "Don't forget me, don't forget me, don't forget me." The other birds, you could tell they weren't interested, but these two were going ballistic on it.
These two definitely weren't interested.
Well, look at Alex.
Boy, what a cameraman I am.
Look at him. Look at him.
And she's nearly falling off enjoying it.
Yeah, we're going to have to clean up that. Probably get a towel to this after we're done, but these guys obviously needed it like done.
Yeah. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed putting all that together for you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below on underneath the picture for Dailybooth, and I'll see you guys around. Take care. Bye-bye.